Good morning everyone. I'm constantly asked how I do my plump poached eggs, usually every Sunday morning. So today I'm going to do a very brief video tutorial and hopefully you'll see how to do them and maybe send me back some videos of you doing them. So the first thing you need to do is get your cling film and cut into 12-inch squares. And that is 30 centimeters for you young people. About that size there. Just stretching these out, making sure they're nice and flat. That's that. Now this is really easy, okay? So you want to get some olive oil and just put about a teaspoon in the middle of each of the cling film. And then we're going to use a little silicone brush just to spread that around a little bit. And this is going to stop your eggs sticking to your cling film. What we do next, we get a mug, we lift our cling film up, set the cling film over the mug, make a little indentation so that the egg will fit in. Get your egg, drop it in, grab all four corners, and twist and set that aside, and we're going to do that for all three. Okay guys, so we have our pan of boiling water here. We've got our three eggs wrapped up and we're going to drop them in to the boiling water, and just like that. I'm going to set our timer for exactly 5 minutes exactly. And that's our 5 minutes up. So I'm just going to lift these out. I'm going to plate up. And I tend to turn the eggs upside down. Season.